Hey guys, let me show you how easily you can add the wish list to your Shopify store. You can see I'm using this wish list, and this wish list has the header icon in the header. You can customize it. You can create your own according to your style, and you can also use the floating action button like this. And once you open the wish list, you can add the item from the wish list. You can add all items to your cart, and also your customers will be able to share the wish list with your friends. This is very good feature in this wish list. For example, just copy this link by pressing this button, and for example, one of the person has copied the wishlist, and he or she shares the wishlist with their friend. Well, let's suppose this is the browser of their friends, and once the next person open the wishlist, they will be able to see the shared items, the same items that are present in the wishlist of their friend. So this is a very good feature. And also you can add the wishlist button on the product page like this. You can customize this as well. And first of all, you have to install this app named as EasyWish. You will be able to also see the analytics, like how many people have added the wish list items to their wish list, like which item is most liked by the customers. So once you install the app, you will be able to see this page. You can book a free consultation call to set up the app, or you can select the theme and open in the theme editor. Once you click this button, you will be able to see the theme editor like this one. And in the apps, you can search for the EasyWish. So you will be able to see these 4 components. One of the component is for the card EasyWish drawer, to enable this drawer like this one. And the other this one is to enable the floating action button, this one. So each of the component has their own styles. You can customize this according to your need. And also you can enable the header heart right here. And also you can create your header heart. And also, for example, you can create a custom trigger, and you can create the header heart right here, and you can enable the custom trigger and add the ID, this one. So your custom trigger from anywhere from the page will be able to open the card trigger. And you can also enable the wishlist hearts on the product cards like this one. Once you enable and have made the changes, you can save it. And to add the wishlist to your product page, you can just go to the product template, and in the sections, in the product information, maybe your theme can have some different name, but you get the idea. You can add under the buttons in the apps EasyWish heart, and you can customize it according to your need. You can make it full width, center, and you can also make the border, and you can change the color as well. So this is how easily you can